cut the eraser for Anna. Okay. Sorry, sorry. That's your own.
Jamaica sweet, you know. Jamaica sweet, but you know. Enough good energy there, yeah. Enough good energy. But on certain days, and I run through people yard with gun. And I run down man with ratchet, with knife to stab them up. And I cut off them woman head and leave them motherless. On certain days, when I ride I like them a God. Paradise, there. Paradise is here, you know. Abundance of water as Jamaica, the first word before the British came and, you know, rush the Africans onto the ship and put on shackles on them foot and bring them to the country where there were once hyenas and Caribs that were here, and the country was called XAMAICA, land of food and water. So we know that it's the definition, so how fruitful we are. There shouldn't be any issues here, you know. Use the abundance of water to continue being fruitful, because we know water is life. No need to sell out with seaside to them damn exploiters who are build some dirty factory or whatever up on the seaside before we just nice up the seaside, make it be for recreational purpose. Because the factory people, they might employ people, so them say. So the means of monetary running in and out. But as soon as we get legalized, you know, can start use the hemp and use bamboo to create employment.